to say though that you said that we probably would not be in another video anytime soon, and then whoop bam, we show up again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I hit 500 subscribers. Woo! Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are enjoying my content because I've been having a lot of fun making it for you guys. So I thought that for 500 I would do a fun little game. So I'm going to be doing a random aesthetic generator, and I'm going to pick out some outfits that go with them, and the generator I found is very interesting. Some of my favorite ones that I clicked through quickly to see today were Pasta Mermaid and Kaleidoscope Vintage. So it should be pretty fun. And then I'm going to have my brothers come in here and judge my outfit with a little, I think they're gonna make little scorecards. I don't know, they got kind of excited about it. But I thought it would just be a kind of fun game for you guys, and maybe something you guys can try at home too, and I'm just really excited to get started. Alright, let's see here. What is my first random aesthetic? So I'm going to be using this thing called Aesthetic Generator from generatorland.com in case you guys want to use the same one. Let's get started. Alright, I'm nervous. Alright, so the first one is Dream Goth. I don't do goth, but I like the word dream, so I think this will be a good challenge. Let's get started. Alright, so I don't have a lot of goth clothing in my room, so I'm trying to figure out how I can maybe layer something to make it look more goth. Okay, because this skirt kind of screams dream at me because it's just so big and flowy and purple. But that doesn't really fit in with goth, so I don't know how we can make this more goth. So I also have my Met Gala skirt, which is very goth. And I feel kind of dreamy in it. Not gonna lie. Okay, maybe this is where we go. I feel like this is a good direction. Okay, is there any way to make these work together? It just doesn't make sense, does it? Alright, we need something dreamy with this. I would really love a big sheer white top with it. I have this dress that could maybe work as the top. This is harder than I thought it was going to be. So I think right now my game plan is I'm going to wear this top with this, well, this is actually a dress. I'm gonna wear this dress with this skirt. Question mark? Yeah. Yeah. I kind of like this. Okay. Let me rummage through my hair accessories then. Let me see. I have my Met Gala earrings, which I feel like is a little bit too easy. I have these cute little flower ones. Look how cute they are. I feel like I want to tie my ribbon around my neck, like a little choker. I feel like that would look really cute. Like so. And I would love bigger earrings. I don't think I have anything else that would work for this. Okay, but these earrings might also work with the dress. And they're very dream-alike. Then maybe the big earrings with the choker would work. And then I have just some black heels that I'm also going to wear with the outfit. So I think I'm going to put it on and call my brothers in here. I'm excited. Okay, so you guys can take a seat.
Oh, this is
take a seat.
This is weird and professional.
Yeah, this is weird.
Alright, so I'm going to drop it and you guys have to guess what the theme was, and then you have to give me a number ranking.
1 to 10?
Yes.
Is the score on how much we like the outfit or how well you did the aesthetic?
I
Or
feel like
both.
you guys should decide that for
Okay.
yourselves.
I feel like these should be both.
Okay.
Alright, so you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Huzzah!
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
So what do you think the theme was?
Goth Angel.
It's surprisingly gothic, but then you've got the tiniest little hint of color in the earring.
I think it's Goth Angel.
I know what I'm writing.
Alright, I'm so excited.
I think the aesthetic was classy Fruity Pebbles.
Classy Fruity Pebbles.
Is
That's
the-
interesting.
Classy, but still fun, and then the earrings are Fruity Pebbles.
That's
That's
fair.
fair.
That's
Yeah.
fair. I see the vision here.
Thank you.
Alright, Tian, what do you think?
Goth Angel.
Okay, Tian's actually a lot closer. It was Goth Dream.
Ooh.
So that's why I added a little bit of color and this
The
is as goth
puffiness.
as I can go.
I
The
like
This is
it.
as goth as I can
Yeah.
go, you know?
No, it's fluffy and delicate and no, I get it.
I like it. I got it.
it.
We get it.
Okay.
Alright, do you guys wanna score it
Yeah,
now?
I'll score it.
I love how serious you guys are taking this. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Who wants to go first?
I'll go first. Okay, I gave it a 7 out of 10. I think it's really
Oh,
pretty.
you did it nicely.
And
You
I like
did.
it a lot, but I think it could use more goth.
Could use more goth. I mean, this is as goth as I could get in my closet.
Could have used more goth.
Okay.
Solid 7 out. Very solid 7 out of 10.
Thank you.
I did an 8.5 out of 10.
Thank you.
Don't confuse this for 85.
It's not. It's an 8.5. I can clearly see it. Yeah.
Yeah. I would say.
I could have thought the period. It's not even a period. It's a line. I might have thought it was accidental. Now it's just worse.
Alright, well, that's not a bad bad score for the first
Not
one.
a bad
Yeah.
score for the first
Should I
one.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank
welcome.
you.
Yeah.
Alright, so I would say that was a pretty successful first round. So I am excited to see what my next prompt is. Okay, the next one is Garden Bro. I feel like my closet fits this one a little bit better, so I'm excited. Alright, so Garden Bro. I have a baseball cap somewhere that I painted a sunflower on it, so I feel like that's gonna be my inspiration. If I can find it. Alright, so I have this hat that I painted a while ago, and I actually found this hat on a beach on the East Coast. So I feel like this is gonna be kind of the inspiration for this look because, Garden Bro. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, garden is very overalls, so I think for the bro aesthetic too, an oversized shirt might really help. So I have this blue one, which could really do it, or I could use this really big flannel. I feel like that could be more fun. I think I'm gonna go with this, and then I need a shirt that would go with it. Wait, this top maybe with this? Question mark? I think this is it. Okay, I think that's the outfit. So I just have to figure out what jewelry I want with it. I think maybe my watch might be fun. And then I'm really just feeling my hoops. I feel like just nice and sweet and simple. So I think I'm gonna go with my watch, my hoops, and then just a little ear cuff. All right, I think I'm gonna get dressed. All right, you guys ready for the reveal?
Yes.
Yeah. Huzzah!
Oh my gosh.
I have never seen
What
you
the
in something
heck?
like this ever.
I've
I
never
know.
seen you in a backwards baseball cap ever.
Oh my gosh.
Think of the key words it makes you think of, right?
Tailgating. America. You look here to go like tailgating, like after like the high school football game. I've got mine.
Okay.
Do you
Okay.
want to go first?
No, I think you should go first.
I'm gonna go with Sunflower Bro. The Sunflower Trucker was also up there.
That's fair.
That is fair. I went with skateboarding hip.
Skateboarding him. It was Garden Bro.
Garden
So you
Bro.
were really close.
Yo, that was that.
Garden
I
Bro.
took the hat and ran with it.
That's valid.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna go first. I give it a 10 out of 10. As soon as you said
Wow.
Garden Bro, I
Really?
was like, it's perfect. I could
Thank
see
you.
if I saw a guy in this, maybe minus the choker, or maybe with the choker, I'd be like,
Garden Bro.
that's a frat guy who has a lovely batch of like peonies in his backyard.
That's fair.
Here's when the mean judger comes in. 6 out of 10.
What's the beef?
Okay, so I just don't see this for you. And I get that's like,
It's not for me,
it's not
though.
for you. I know it's not for you, but seeing you in this makes me sad.
Perfect
This
job.
isn't to wear out. This is
Right, you did a perfect job.
a
though.
challenge.
Yeah.
Alright, great.
Or do wear it out. I don't care. Who am I to tell you what to wear?
Alright, on to the next one. Oh, okay, the next one is Forest Vintage, and I'm very excited about this. I really like how that sounds. Okay, let's see what I have. Forest Vintage. I mean, these pants feel kind of vintagey to me. A little vintagey aesthetic, but I would have to make like them very forest somehow. I think I'm also going to take off the hat, because my hair must be very flat by now. Vintage, how do I get that vintage aesthetic? So I have this linen dress, and this is pretty foresty vintage, I would say, because it already has the flowers around the waist. So maybe I'll just try to really dress this up and go very ham with the floral. Maybe? I could even maybe layer like a sweater on top of it, maybe? Maybe. I could even maybe do this one, but wear it open over it? Maybe that's the way to go. Okay, yeah, that's 1000% the way to go. Okay. I'm getting excited. Okay, so I think I need to get some flower crowns, and I wish I had the little like butterfly clips just kind of layer in my hair, but I might be able to still do something similar. I'm not totally sure yet. Okay, let's look at jewelry. Okay. I'm honestly just thinking my giant pearls maybe. So I feel like these are kind of the most vintagey looking thing I have. I'm also maybe thinking about putting like a cute pin on it. I don't know if I have any floral ones. Okay, I think I'm also going to add this Sophie and Howell pin to it because it looks a little vintagey. I'm also thinking about this little rock necklace because it feels kind of forest-like to me. And then I think I'll also add just this cute little gingham scrunchie and also this flower crown. All right, I think that's the whole outfit. I'm kind of excited to see how this looks, so I'm gonna try it on.
Alright, let's do this.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I love
Oh.
Isn't it cute?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm ready.
I'm trying to decide between 2 words.
I love this.
It's
Why don't you
red.
go
It's
first?
so
Why don't
pretty.
you go first then?
Garden Goddess.
Okay.
Garden Goddess? I went with Cottage Fairy or possibly Cottage Wizard.
Okay, neither of you guys were like very like super close. It was Forest Vintage.
I mean, that's still good though.
It's still good.
We understand the vibes.
You guys
you're
understand
putting
the
Yeah.
vibes that I'm going for here.
Yes.
Okay, like
It
the
does feel
linen.
vintage.
Alright,
Okay. Yeah, go for it.
10 out of 10.
Wow.
I'm gonna give it a solid 8.7 out of 10.
Okay,
Like, I
alright.
really like it.
I'll let you
This is
have that
really
one
good.
because you put the flowers on the page. So, yeah, I thought it was cute.
You did great.
It is really cute. I love this.
Alright, so this one was definitely like the most me feeling. Definitely. So, let's do another one. Ooh. The next one is Glitter Ghost. Kind of excited. I don't know what direction I want to take this in, but I like the word glitter and ghost could be fun. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, Glitter Ghost. I want something from a different closet. Okay, so I have this shirt and it's kind of shimmery, glittery, glitter. Okay, and then it's very oversized too, so I feel like if I wear something very small and fitted underneath it, this will kind of be like a dress and almost like, you know, like ghosts, how like kids used to wear like the sheets. I feel like this could be the sheet. And I feel this could work really well. Okay. See, I would love just a tiny little black shift dress, but I unfortunately do not have one. So I don't think any of these would really work the way I want them to. So I'm going to go to plan B, and I think I'm just going to wear these black shorts with a bodysuit. So it'll be super, super fitted, and then it'll be kind of like a dress I'm gonna wear it as. And let's look at accessories. So one of the main ideas I had for this is I have this glitter makeup palette. So I think I'm probably going to try to use the purple and the blue because that's kind of the colors of the shirt. And I have to figure out what jewelry I want. Oh my goodness. Perfect. And these little earrings. Perfect for this. Okay. 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 I'm gonna try it on.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Kwasha!
Oh wow, we got like a very consistent color scheme here.
Sing.
I see what you mean about wanting the tank top dress, but now that what you did works.
I'm like, I think I did a good job for like what the thing
The eye
was.
makeup is cute. It's pretty.
Alright, you can go
That's
first
good.
this time.
I'm gonna go with Midnight Glam.
Midnight Glam.
Ooh.
Interesting.
It's like the sparkles and like the very like, you know, like the deep blue.
Goth Ghost.
Good ghost.
It's Glitter Ghost.
Oh!
Hey!
I mean,
I actually got it. I'm surprised.
Between the two of us, I mean, we're kind of.
Really?
I even drew sparkles.
You did do sparkles. My idea was kind of like this is so oversized. It's kind of like the sheets that you
Yeah, it's
wear
like
at
the
Halloween.
ghost silhouette.
Yeah,
wow.
and then like I had like the slim thing underneath it, and then I did the glitter eye makeup.
I
and
thought
the
my wording
earrings.
was horrible, but wow.
No, Tian, you got pretty close. I was like, oh my gosh, you actually said ghost.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna give it a 9.7 out of 10. I think it's fantastic, but nothing is ever gonna be Garden Bro for me, so.
Here's the thing. If we were to be only judging on aesthetic, like how well matched the aesthetic, you get a 10 out of 10. Spot on.
Okay.
I think I was actually a little bit harsh on this one. I feel like it should be.
Harsh.
I feel like it should be a little bit more like an 8.9, but I give you a 7.9.
Can I hear the reasoning?
It looks a little bit like how I'd imagine the shower ghost looking.
What's the shower ghost?
Anyways.
Alright, so the next theme is fairy garbage. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm thinking I can probably just pile on as many frills and colorful things as I can, and that will probably be good. I think this skirt is going to be kind of like my main moment there. And then I also have this shirt that I made a while ago. This would probably work very well. Well, that was very easy in the clothes department, so I think I'm just going to go straight ahead to accessories. You know, I actually have the perfect thing for this. Why do I have the best clothes for this topic? I have these earrings that I got for some reason a while ago and have never worn out. I feel like this fits the topic very well. And then I'm also going to add this necklace and my bossy bracelet that I always wear. And then I have this bright pink flower crown, which might work really well with these earrings. And I don't have a whole lot of pink in the outfit, so I feel like that's probably a good way to tie this whole thing in. It's going to be a lot. Let's try it on. Alright, I hope to dazzle you this time.
I hope that you will as well. Alright.
Ready?
Yes. I'm a little more dazzled.
I'm way dazzled. Anything with a flower crown honestly gets me.
Wow.
Wow.
I feel like your weird aunt who like goes and like talks to stones in the woods.
Yeah, I see it.
I feel like this is something you would ever wear, but I can tell you're having fun.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm going with Kaleidoscope Peasant.
Okay, I see it.
The silhouette
See
and
the
the
image?
colors and the vibrant
I get
flowers.
it.
I get it. I do get it.
You
You
get
get
it.
Okay.
Majestic flower.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
The theme was fairy garbage.
That works too. That 100% works as well.
I thought it turned out pretty
That's
accurate.
actually better than
Oh
this.
my gosh.
That's perfect. You wanna go first?
You can go first.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a 9.8 out of 10. I think you absolutely killed it on getting the aesthetic right. I gave the -0.2 just because I think it's like a little ugly. But like,
it's very garbage.
see, remember how I said I was grading these based on like how well it fit the aesthetic and then how much I liked it personally?
Okay.
I fits the aesthetic 11 out of 10. How much I like it? 9
That's
out of
fair.
10.
I mean, I don't even like it.
So
either.
I like it 9 out of 10, and I think the aesthetic was 10 out of 10. So I gave you 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, that's about
That's
right.
fair.
Yeah,
That's fair. This was very interesting.
I liked this one.
Yeah,
This
you
was
did a
good one.
great
Now
job.
something Alright, well that one went over very well with the judges, so I'm excited to see what the next one is. I mean, the next one is Fashion Farmer, but I feel like that's just my daily aesthetic, so I don't know if I would be cheating by doing this one. But I would kind of like to see if they could guess it, so I think I'll do it anyway. Alright, so the real question with this prompt is, which overalls do I wear? The black or the blue? That's the real question here. And I think that answer is probably going to depend on the shirt. So I have this black and white one, which I've worn with the black overalls in a different video, and it was very cute, but I'm going to try not to repeat that, even though I think it would work perfectly for this prompt. Oh, I have this shirt that I feel like is very fashion forward and fun whenever I wear it. So it's like mismatching. This could be cool. This is a concept. Okay, I kind of like this. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with the black ones with this. And I think I want to borrow something from another closet, so I will be right back. Well, this is a very like farmery hat, but I feel like ooh, that might be cute. But does that work with the rest of the outfit? I feel like it just might have to. I think I'm ready to move on to jewelry. I don't really know what else I could do here. I would love to do like mismatched like red and white tassel earrings, but I do not have red or white tassel earrings, so that's not really gonna work out. I would like to use these earrings. So I feel like that's like pretty fashion forward, but the metal on this is more of silver, so I think I'm going to have to go with my hoop earrings again. Okay, I don't know if this one's going to work, but I guess I'm gonna go try it on.
Alright, what do you got, girl?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, I see a.
Oh, I really
Oh,
like it.
yes.
Oh, I really
Okay, okay.
Girl, I want to get to know you. You know what I mean? Like if I saw somebody walking down the street in this ensemble, I'd be like, oh my god, she's the coolest person. Okay, you can go first because mine's probably wrong.
Mine's also probably wrong. Classy adventurer.
Okay.
I mean, kind of. I went with hip botanist, like the coolest botanist you've ever met. The hat and like the pressed flower.
It's way
Interesting.
more simple.
Well, enlighten us then.
It's Fashion Farmer, which I thought was basically cheating for me to do, but I wanted to see if you guys could
It's
guess
so good. It's so good.
It's really good.
Okay, I'll go first. I know it looks like a 6 because I drew it poorly, but it's a 10 out of 10. I can't imagine doing this any better.
I still gave you a 9 out of 10.
You just wasn't really feeling it.
That's
all the
fine.
way.
It looks
It's fine, I
great.
guess.
It looks
I mean,
great.
there's nothing
I
else.
just didn't get the. I just
You
didn't
did
really
it.
get the.
You did
aesthetic,
it.
but you did it.
Alright, so that is all the challenges that I'm going to do. I hope you guys liked it. I thought it was fun, and I thought my brother's guest starring made it more fun.
This is really fun.
It was rough. I really enjoyed myself.
Yeah, like I said, I want to
It
try
is
this
a
with
good
my own
time.
closet.
Yeah, it's
Like,
a good challenge if you guys want to do it yourselves too.
It's a good way to like expand your closet without actually buying anything. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
It's always good to rewear your outfits.
I always wear my outfits.
Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I post a video most Fridays. If you want to see more of my content, there is more of it to be watched. And thank you for watching.
You better subscribe. Oh yeah, congrats on 500.
Yeah, congrats on 500.
Yeah, let's go.
That's cool. There's so
But
many.
really,
Of you.
Thank
yeah,
you.
Thanks, guys.
you.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
your contribution. Alright, that's
Alright.
all we have.
Bye.
Bye.